lip balm.
Oh
Bacon flavored lip balm.
And French fry flavor?
French fry, popcorn flavored. The shortcake. Oh my goodness. More s'mores.
Oh, look at the
Key lime
Pucker
pie.
Pups.
Oh,
Those are
cute. What is? Oh my goodness, I love the ice cream. How do they work? Like,
You probably
it's an
lift
eraser.
that part,
Oh,
and there's
it's an
probably
eraser
check.
too. And it's
There's
an eraser
probably-
too. Look at these little phones. What are they for?
They're
makeup.
It
Oh,
says,
they're makeup.
It's plastic,
This
honey.
is so cool. Check it out, their makeup. Wow. They have tons of cool stuff here. Oh my goodness, are these iPod cases?
These are. Oh my gosh, look at
These
that.
are cute.
They're for phones. They have an iPod, right?
Yeah, iPod.
Look.
Oh my goodness, penguins, owls, Julie.